All right, so we've thought about this good, long, and hard. And we thought, what could possibly be like the skate everything that we could take to snow that would just be so ridiculous and not workable? This is what we came up with. Well, we thought, you know, snowboard a door. Why not? If somebody straps into this and goes and starts going fast, there's nothing you can do. You're dead.
It's too dangerous.
For the safety of my ankles, I'm not strapping in.
Cause that'll just snap your leg.
Don't strap in, it's too dangerous. You know what we gotta do if somebody says that?
Should we call this?
Carlos!
That was perfect.
That was pretty good.
We definitely need a spotter down there. Who's
Yeah, hey, someone's got to go down there.
Dude, who's the spotter?
Should we call this snowboarding?
Snowboarding.
Oh, goodness.
That was you.
What? What did I do?
So,
Dude, I don't know.
this is what's going to happen, okay? I'm going to go backwards, and I'm just going to be dragging on my head like this.
I don't know that you can. How could you do that?
Please.
You'll be like this.
And then it'll pick up.
Yeah, that won't be good for your ankles or ligaments.
Or knees. Yeah, please don't hurt yourself.
Then somebody like stay next to me. just
Don't
because
strap in.
Stand on top of it and go.
Yeah, stand
And
on
then
top.
abort.
You want me to test it out for you right now? I'll test it out for you.
Poor guy they gave to help us is the lookout. Really?
You want to go
How
to
is it we go to the snow and we still make Carlos do everything?
Literally, he's never snowboarded in his entire life, and we have something, the most dangerous thing, and he's going first.
Just like this.
Oh
we
my
start.
God!
The butter.
I need to bail out of here. Shut up.
He said, shut up. Oh no.
Yes.
Oh no. I knew it. You cannot snowboard a door. It's over. What would have happened if his feet would have been strapped in there? Oh no.
This is the best idea
This
ever.
cannot be done.
Oh, this worked. Good thing I wore my deodorant. Deodorant. Wait, why are you strapping it?
Oh yeah, that's
Strap in,
right.
just put my foot in the bike.
If we make it all the way to the trees, I'll give you $100.
Don't let. It's actually kind of freaky.
Yeah! Stay on! Yeah! Stay on! Yeah! Ow! Binding straight into my foot! Ow! Ow! He's bleeding! No, he's bleeding! That was amazing! Oh my goodness! It took a binding straight to the
Sphincter.
There we go.
It was bound to happen.
You guys can't even snowboard a door. You guys are posers. We need like a tool to kind of scrape the front a little bit. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Nobody's helping you.
What do you think?
We're not in Kansas anymore, Dorothy.
Carlos's first video on Braille.
Drop it like a
You gotta turn it around.
Turn it around.
You're going switch, dude. All right, turn it. Turn
It's
the door.
actually fakey, but I know what you mean.
Fakey nollie.
Hold the door, guys.
Door. We should play some The Doors music.
You're a full Braille circle.
Door.
You've come full circle with us, Carlos.
Whoa, stay back this way, back this way.
Why is he putting his feet in there?
Hold door. I'm not paying for your medical bills.
You signed the waiver, right?
Oh!
You signed the waiver, right?
It was a door sled.
There's no. I pictured it like nose diving and him just going. Oh, that would have
Seeing
been
Carlos
great.
fall brings you so much joy,
It
dude.
does. I don't know why. It's just because he's tiny. He just like flies.
It was a front side door sled. Front door.
Teddy, you've just looked so confused this entire trip.
Yeah. There's snow.
I keep farting and the fumes just waft right up to my face.
But
like
it keeps
there's-
you warm though.
That's true. The poop in there is also steaming me up.
But that's why we wear underwear, to filter your parts.
Yeah.
It's only my head.
Who got a white door? Really?
They didn't have any other colors.
Yeah, right.
How a thumbnail's made. Right here.
Yeah, let go. What are we doing? Oh! Oh God!
That's what I pictured.
Yes!
I am so happy that happened. Thank you. Oh my gosh. This trip is already.
What do you think? Ow! Every bone in my spine is bleeding. Those bones can't even bleed, but they are.
Aaron, that was one of the best falls I've seen you take.
Aaron's worst fall ever.
Look at this. Look at this. That's beautiful. It looks like you hit your head.
I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's snow, right? There's nothing in there. Right, mate?
All right, where are you gonna land it?
He hit his melon.
It's got a mild concussion, no big deal.
Who brings the door to Tahoe? These guys. Why? I don't know.
Just like we like it. Idiotic.
All right, who's strapping in? Or you gotta land that.
Land that?
Yeah.
No. Well, I gave it one good go. I gave it one fold wing.
Carlos!
Carlos is the go-to guy for everything.
After that,
Stupid.
I'm still down.
You good? You good?
Yeah.
How many
We'll be falling a lot harder than that. My butt is just like perfectly bruised, just on both cheeks. It's nothing but black and blue.
Right in the middle.
That's hands on.
No, the middle's okay. No, well, from the binding, the middle's bleeding and the sides are black and blue. It's kind of
That's the hardest.
But no, it's also brown because of the poop.
So any of the trails that you see with jumps or these jib features or whatever, that's all us. And we get to design them and take care of them, and we get to ride them. That's the coolest part.
You want to land that, Carlos?
I'll try. Based off that, I'm still down. I'm just saying.
It is so scary, dude. I don't know about that.
I don't think so.
I mean, maybe once
In the powder.
just to try it in the powder, yeah. But I don't know. It's sketch, dude.
He picks his battles.
Ow! Shin myself.
Shinner! The first shinner! Like really fast?
Oh wait, can you like
Big nugget.
see that little dip? Can you like?
Yeah. Lean all the way back, Carlos.
Whoa!
Why didn't I do that? Why did it do that with me, but not
Can
with
you
him?
do it, please?
No.
I'm taking credit for that.
He's so small. That was adorable.
Oh.
You guys just all like a puppy died.
Yeah. Because he's a dork.
Petty, front flip in the powder. I got it. I'll film you.
Do you want to front flip with me? All right, where are we front
Right there.
flipping? Over there?
Yeah. Watch this. This is gonna be great.
Betty's forehead. Yeah, boy.
All right, a little help here.
Mine wasn't
I'm
bad.
actually fully embedded into this mountain. Oh, that was a joy.
I think Nigel has a crush on you.
You are just a snowy paradise right now.
I am.
You cold?
It's in my shirt.
Oh my god! Dude, we're doing it! I didn't have a choice. He dragged me with him.
Every time I want to carry it back up.
Wait, dude,
like,
he said later we can take this up to like the actual launch and we can get like a full send at it.
Wall ride to rail?
Snowboard?
Yeah.
let's just wall ride jump. We'll
Yeah.
start out with that.
Sick. Aaron, get strapped
Somebody
in.
strap in and go.
Yeah, you.
Well, I know, but somebody needs to strap in on that. To lay down. And then they're holding it like that, and I'm going to jump off of it.
You don't think it'll just stay like that?
I'm not going to go into the rail like that. My front edge will just hit the door, and I'll just hit the rail on my chest.
Oh, I
Jump.
see.
Man underneath.
I see. All right.
I don't want to do it now. If Carlos is gonna, no. So are you guys gonna like dig me in or dig the door in? Like it's gonna be like a launch ramp, right?
Yes, but you just are supporting it and holding it up.
So my skeletal structure is gonna be supporting their weight.
Yes. No, but they're gonna be going fast, you know? It's just gonna be like a wall ride.
That's true.
I think it'll be all right. I think.
If I die, Aaron has to give me a lot of money.
Okay.
If
Deal.
I die though.
If you die.
If I die.
But if you get hurt, it's fine.
Hey, if I die, you have to give me a lot of money.
It's a bad idea.
What we're trying to figure out right now is how to make Chris McNugget into a human launch. Horrible idea.
Yeah.
You're fine.
You don't want to land on his face.
Not bad. Not bad. I was just like, Oh my god. Wait, no. Is Carlos coming? No, Carlos.
How's that?
That was fun.
It's cool.
This is what I was thinking.
Oh.
Like that. We were like up there. I was like, should I go down the middle? And Nigel's like, yes, the middle. And then Brenna's like, not the middle.
Came up short to land on his face.
I know.
I'm excited for this video to come out.
All right, go ahead. Let me see what it looks like so I know like where to go.
I think this way's like much more safe.
Oh.
Is that more
No,
safe?
Chris, you gotta come down more though. Because otherwise,
What?
It's so.
Wait,
Oh, you want to do it that high?
You want me to walk more?
Yeah.
Yeah, walk up it.
What?
It's
It'll
slippery.
be fast though.
Pretty quick.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah, that'll be
dope.
fine.
Dude,
All right.
I've been
insane.
working my my calves and
Seriously,
hamstrings.
dude.
Huh?
Now do it now. Lean back. Oh!
Try that again.
Ow!
You alright, Chris?
Oh yeah, I feel good. I think I'm having an endorphin release.
Another one, number 2.
Oh, really?
Coming down.
Wow.
I feel great. Like I'm stoked to be an accessory in this.
That's good.
And you're in every shot.
Rebate on that back.
Get it, dude.
Yeah.
What are you trying?
Back one.
All right.
My first grab of the trip.
Very impressive.
Wow.
How you feeling? You rusty or?
It's so rusty. I'm rusty like these edges.
Ooh. Well, you may not be able to snowboard a door, but you can snowboard a door.
If you can't snowboard a door, snowboard on a door.
That was sick.
Dang, Fetty, first try! Just kidding.
All right. I'm relaxing. Nobody's coming, right?
Oh no. If I kill you, you're a good friend. Oh, that's high.
At least rock. You good? Yeah, we're good.
I think we're good.
You're down for the bump to bar?
Oh yeah.
They down? I'm down. I'm doing the same
Are
thing.
they down? Oh god.
Wow.
That's fun. You can do this, Gabe. The door, I would have to say, is probably not the most successful snowboard situation. So if you guys were thinking of saving money on a snowboard and buying a door instead, I would advise that's not a good idea. But if you think you can make it better, leave it in the comments below. I'd really love to hear what you guys think.
Maybe send
like
us one.
make a lip on the front. It could be a lot of things you could do. I mean, I'm ready to just snowboard for a little bit.
Look, Carlos wants to do it.
Still reintegrating myself to snowboarding, so I got to do a full run and then possibly.
You got it, Los.
Oh no, oh no!
Yeah, there you go.
You guys need to get up there. Serious? Get up there, fools.
Dude, that was so sick.
He broke the ice on that one.
Let's go, Carlos.
He full sended that.
Yes, he did.
It's funny, he went down like 5 times and fell before he got there every time. And that one, he was just no turns. Straight there, boom. Huge thanks to Sierra Tahoe for hooking us up with this mountain, this private run. They brought us some food. They're absolutely incredible. And Santa Cruz Snowboards for hooking us up with free snowboards. You guys are the absolute best. Check out all the other videos right there. You will love them and you'll have a blast watching them. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.
That went well.